Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the unit and positioning it so the base is stable. This matters because vibration steals alignment. Once the opener is on, leave the switch off and place the can rim under the cutting head. Make sure the can sits centered against the guide. This ensures the motor engages smoothly. Engage the clamp or lower the arm now. The machine needs firm contact to bite correctly. Once done, you'll be ready to start the cutting cycle without wobble or slips. Lower the arm and clamp so the cutter contacts the can rim. You should feel resistance but not jam. Turn the opener on and let it run. The blade will rotate around the lid. This permanent motion ensures an even cut. Make sure you don't lift or reposition while it's spinning, because interruptions can bend the lid or stall the motor. If the opener stalls, switch off, wait a few seconds, then reset the can in the same orientation before trying again to finish the cut. When the rotation stops, switch the unit off and release the clamp. Use the built-in magnet or tongs to lift the lid. This keeps your fingers away from sharp edges. Clean the blade and rim with a damp cloth and dry to prevent rust. If the cutter slips or doesn't finish the seam, make sure the can was centered and the motor had full power. A dull blade or misalignment is the usual culprit. Replace the cutter or realign and repeat the cycle carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.